If you want to take the hard work out of keyword research, pay attention, because my free keyword research template will help you build an intelligent keyword strategy in minutes rather than days. It takes less than 5 minutes to do and will spit out a personalized keyword strategy based on your competitors' search rankings without you having to spend any money. It does a bunch of cool things like automatically finding the best keywords with high search volumes and low competition. It removes tire kicker keywords and tells you if it's possible to win a featured snippet before calculating the intent of the keyword to help you stay focused on the money. All you need to do is make your keyword selections like this before heading to the Final Selections tab, where you'll see your personalized intelligent keyword strategy. So, download your free copy of my keyword research template now to take the hard work out of keyword research once and for all. And if you download it now, I'll also send you another intelligent sheet that's focused on finding all of the best backlinks for those keywords tomorrow. So pay attention, because with these 2 sheets, you'll be able to create a complete plan of attack to increase your search traffic. So download my free keyword research template immediately after you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more great videos like this one in the future.